The inflammatory process is a healthy one and it's normal and we need it to happen. What becomes unhealthy is when we have a very chronic or highly active level of inflammation in the body. And that's where this whole nutrition thing comes into play. When we're eating foods that are irritating to our digestive system, that we don't break down very well, that cause spikes and crashes in our blood sugar, any of those things can contribute to this issue of inflammation in the body by various different means, by irritating the gut lining, by causing pain or swelling in that internal way. We may not see it visibly, or we may see a visible manifestation on our skin, for example, of this inflammation that's happening in our gut. Now, the other thing we want to talk about here is that inflammation is actually at the root cause of every disease. If you think about what inflammation means, it's kind of the breakdown of normal body functions. And so inflammation is actually at the root of everything from cancer, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, to chronic fatigue, autoimmunity, arthritis, neurological diseases, and even diabetes. Because inflammation is this blanket term for everything: heat, redness, swelling, pain, and loss of function. Remember that loss of function really being the key indicator here of something in your body that has gone wrong. So when people talk about inflammation, when we talk about inflammation, it's this blanket term that does mean kind of a breakdown of normal body function, but we mean that in the sense that when it's in a chronic state.